Life is not measured by the number of breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away. After all, Ginger Rogers did everything that Fred Astaire did. She just did it backward and in high heels. If you want something said, ask a man. If you want something done, ask a woman. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. It's not your job to like me, it's mine. Our deepest wishes are whispers of our authentic self. We must learn to respect them. We must learn to listen. We can do no great things, only small things with great love. Success is getting what you want. Happiness is wanting what you get. A woman is like a tea bag. You never know how strong she is until she gets in hot water. I love to see a young girl go out and grab the world by the lapels. Life's a bitch. You've got to go out and kick ass. I don't care what you think about me. I don't think about you at all. Be the type of girl that climbs the ladder wrong by wrong. We have to become the men we wanted to marry. Women must try to do as men have tried. When they fail, their failure must be but a challenge to others. It is past time for women to take their rightful place, side by side with men, in the rooms where the fates of peoples, where their children's and grandchildren's fates are decided. When anyone tells me I can't do anything, I'm just not listening anymore. Any woman who understands the problems of running a home will be nearer to understanding the problems of running a country. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I'm possible. Whatever women do, they must do twice as well as men to be thought half their inferior. Luckily, this is not difficult. The most courageous act is still to think for yourself, aloud. Courage doesn't always roar. Sometimes, courage is the quiet voice at the end of the day, saying, I will try again tomorrow. A woman with a voice is by definition a strong woman, but the search to find that voice can be remarkably difficult. Expect the unexpected, and whenever possible, be the unexpected. The most common way people give up their power is by thinking they don't have any. And the trouble is, if you don't risk anything, you risk more. Life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage. We cannot change what we are not aware of, and once we are aware, we cannot help but change. Passion is energy. Feel the power that comes from focusing on what excites you. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is only enough. Find out who you are and be that person. That's what your soul was put on this earth to be. Find that truth. Live that truth and everything else will come. Don't limit yourself. Many people limit themselves to what they think they can do. You can go as far as your mind lets you. What you believe, remember, you can achieve. I dwell in possibility. I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list. Do one thing every day that scares you. Don't be intimidated by what you don't know. That can be your greatest strength and ensure you do things differently from everyone else. It is our choices that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities. I always did something I was a little not ready to do. I think that's how you grow. When there's that moment of wow, I'm not really sure I can do this, and you push through those moments, that's when you have a breakthrough. Don't ever underestimate the importance you can have, because history has shown us that courage can be contagious and hope can take on a life of its own. If you don't like being a doormat, then get off the floor. I used to walk down the street like I was a superstar. I want people to walk around delusional about how great they can be, and then to fight so hard for it every day that the lie becomes the truth. I learned to always take on things I'd never done before. Growth and comfort do not coexist. It took me quite a long time to develop a voice, and now that I have it, I am not going to be silent. A lot of people are afraid to say what they want. That's why they don't get what they want. The most effective way to do it is to do it.